Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome back to a very chilly evening here in Los Angeles. The fire that was behind our house is not there, and the skies are clear, and there's no smoke, and it was a beautiful sunny day. It was really cold, so we're going to do a quick pour tonight. I'm very excited about this. Is a 24 by 36 inch gallery wrap canvas from Artist's Loft. I have taped and pinned the back, and I have painted my sides and edges with my Flow Extender color. Let me show you my colors real quick because they're very pretty. The first color that we're using is this beautiful Golden's Anthraquinone Blue. Very, very pretty. I've used this one before, and I remember telling you guys that it works really, really well with reds and purples and magenta because it's got a red base to it. So this is really, really pretty, and it's a transparent color. So I think this is going to be gorgeous with what we're doing tonight. This one is Amsterdam Permanent Blue Violet, which I really love. Gorgeous color. This dries so deep and rich and elegant. It's just beautiful. Next one is Amsterdam Red Violet, which looks a little more raspberry here just because of the Floetrol that's in the cup. But it is actually really pretty darker red violet. So this is beautiful. And it works really well with the blue violet and the anthraquinone. So this is our permanent red violet. The pouring medium I'm using tonight is Liquitex Gloss Medium. And I actually wanted to show you this cute little tub. I found this at Villegas. And this is Liquitex Gloss Medium. And it's a 1.89 liter. But it's so cute. I love the little... It's just adorable. So I'm using the gloss medium because I'm currently out of gel gloss. So use what you have. They're all different tools available in your toolbox for you to use when you need them. Okay. Moving on, we have some DecoArt Americana Decor Metallics in 24 karat gold. My beautiful showgirl. We have Amsterdam Pearl Yellow, which I've talked about previously. Not only is it a gorgeous color on its own, but it does really, really beautiful things when combined with other colors. And last but not least, we have some Chromacryl White, which is a wonderful, wonderful paint because it's very, very thick in the tub, and you can thin it out a lot and get more bang for your buck. And it does this beautiful, cloudy, poofy cell amazingness. So I really like this stuff. That's the Chromacryl. You can also get that at Blick. Okay, tonight we are using our wonderful little 13-ounce modular split cup from Fluid Art Co., designed by the amazing Fiona. And this cup is really cool because you can take out these dividers and have it be as many chambers as you want. And even better than that, you can take them all out and wash the cup very, very, very easily. I was super excited and thrilled when I washed it the first time. I was actually jumping up and down because it was so easy. So we're going to layer this twice. For a 24 by 36, we need about 30 ounces of paint. 2 of these will be 26 ounces. So if we have some negative space, that's okay. I also have a color here for a base coat slash flow extender, which is just a couple of different colors, mixed up some of my drips and leftovers mixed together, but it's a very, very pretty color. So we're going to use this as our flow extender, maybe negative space color. So let's layer this first because we are going to need to layer it twice, and we may even layer it one more time after that if I feel like we need more paint. We're going to put some of the Anthraquinone Blue on one of the chambers on the side. We're going to do the red violet. We're going to skip one and put the red violet in the middle-ish. Okay. And then we're going to do the other edge is going to be the blue violet. And I wanted to layer it like this so you guys can see specifically that I am using the darker colors and then putting the lighter colors in between them to give us more contrast and more pop. And in this chamber between the anthraquinone and the red violet, I'm going to put the pearl yellow. And then we're going to go some white in the center. Or not center, but the one next to it. And some 24 karat gold in this chamber. So, I want to put a little bit of the pearl yellow down first, and then I'm actually going to pour the base color on top of that. That way if we get any cells coming up, might be the very pretty pearl yellow underneath that base color. Okay, so we're going to move around with this a little bit. Okay, we're going to start about here maybe.
Okay.
Are you ready, husband of awesomeness?
Aye, lass, that I am.
Okay, here we go. We're going to do a wandering straight pour and move around the canvas. Ooh, the wind is blowing. Thank you, Gail. We started off up higher, but the wind wasn't making it easy, so come a little bit closer. I'm going to go up higher again.
Maybe not.
It's so funny. Every time I get upset when this happens, and then when I tilt it out, it's still really pretty, so I'm not going to stress. And then we're going to layer our cup one more time, the same as we had it before. The Anthraquinone, pearl yellow, red violet, white, gold, and the blue violet. Oops. Okay, that's all right. All right, try this one more time. I'm actually going to start about over here.
Okay.
All right, here we go. Wow. Come on, Gail, behave.
Gail's been messing with Los Angeles for a week.
No, I don't think that was Gail. That was some like weird firestorm. It was insane.
Santa Ana.
Yeah, it's pretty crazy. There's some really pretty things happening in here though, so all is not lost. Those of you who've been watching me for a while know that I have no problem re-pouring if I don't like something, but lately I have been trying, after telling you guys to trust the process, to trust the process myself just a little bit more. I'm actually going to go around this edge with some of the blue violet. Because I want to make sure we keep that part of the design. Because this is actually really pretty in here. That's really cool too. So, alright. We're going to use our flow extender and go around. question for you, HOA.
Yes, my love.
Right here, there's a pretty big area where we didn't actually pour any paint. And technically, that's only 26 ounces, and we do need 30. Do you think I need to pour another 4 ounces in there, or not really?
I do.
You do?
Yeah.
I kind of don't.
I mean, you don't.
Well, I'm not just being contrary. I'm actually honestly asking you if you think we need it or not. But I think we have enough paint. Kind of. Let's see.
Well, you do have a good color for the
Yeah.
for the flow
Can
extender.
leave
So if it
negative space.
does end up sticking around, then it'll be just great.
It's a really pretty color in the drips. We've got enough flow extender on here now. Feels good. If it wasn't windy, I would probably be more likely to pour a little bit more in that edge, but because it is getting windy.
If it wasn't windy, you probably wouldn't have had that problem.
Well, it's not a problem. Just, you know.
Challenge, issue,
Yeah.
situation.
You roll with the punches, right?
That's
Go
right.
with the flow. Okay.
Play with the pour.
Okay. Let's see. Is it cat hair or dog hair? Some kind of hair.
It's embellishment.
All right. Okay, let's tilt this out. This is really pretty in here. I'm really happy with how this is looking, so let's tilt this out and see what happens. Every time it's windy, the hair gets staticky and it like flies towards my eyes. Okay. Let's walk this down a little bit.
This kind of looks like butterfly wings at this point.
Nice and slow. You see how low I have the canvas? Because I don't want to take a lot of paint off. I want to go very, very slowly. So I'm not lifting it up very high at all.
Take your time.
We're just going to roll right off that corner. Bring it back to center. Torched it yet, did I? All right, let's take this way now. Come closer to this edge. Lock it down a little bit more. Come down this way. Corner this side. pretty. Angel wings. I'm just opening up the top area a little bit, stretching these lines out. These are really pretty.
Yeah, I love that blue area right there.
Yeah.
Very pretty.
I really like it. Okay.
I love that area like closest to you, that blue.
Really, really cool looking. I think this is looking awesome. So we're gonna stop here and I will show you guys when it is dry. Thank you so much for hanging out with us tonight. Thank you to my lovely Fiona for this amazing split cup, and to Fluid Art Co. And you guys can get your own split cup just like that at www.fluid-art.co. So this is awesome. I can't wait to see it dry. We'll see you real soon.